Okay, today we deal with something called random variable. Last class we have given the concept related to probability. There we deal with some examples of probability. Is that an event is 0 to, for two events we have probability of A union B as PA plus PB. Now we define the probability in another term, some variable, something called random variables. Now what we define a random variable? A random variable is, simply we can say, a real valued function. A real valued function defined on our sample space S. Simply what we say? Write the proper definition. We say a random variable X on a sample space S is a rule that assign a numerical value to each element of S. That is, we can say a random variable is a function from the sample space S into the set of real number R. Okay, what we say? We simply say X is a function from S to R. Okay, this is simple definition of random variable. Now we have two types of random variable. One is discrete, another is continuous. For example, what we say? The example of discrete are, we can say the number of rooms in the house, or the number of children in a family. That means what we say exactly a discrete random variable? Discrete random variable is random variable which takes the discrete values. But for continuous random variable, we say it takes the continuous values. For example, weight of a student or the height of a child. Now, in a simple concept, to understand about the discrete and continuous random variable, I am giving one example. Suppose there is one road and here we are the person, a person is observing here. Now I have two questions. One is how many accident has, okay, how many accident can be possible from point A to point B. Suppose AB has length 1 kilometer. Getting it what I'm saying? Suppose I have given a road and here A to B my length. A person is standing here and we are observing that how many accidents can be possible in this region. So the answer is definitely you can say 0, or someone can say 1 or 2 or 3 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 or 10. But question is at which time the accident may happen. Now, if at which time the accident may happen, then one can give the answer at the starting, or suppose if you are observing from today, date 20/10/2020 and time now is 2:45. So at 2:45 it can take, at 2:50 there may be accident. That means from time t1 to t2 it will take all those values. So time is an example of a continuous random variable, but the counting the number of accident is an example of discrete random variable. Everyone getting it what I'm saying? Hello?
Yes,
Similarly,
sir.
another example, suppose there is one light bulb, there is one light bulb, okay? Light bulb in a room. Now, if someone asks the question, how many bulbs in a room can be fused? And if second question is, at which time a ball is fused? Getting it question? That means suppose in your house, if there are 10 bulbs, then how many bulbs can be fused? 0 bulb, 1 bulb, 2 bulb. At most 10 bulb it can be fused. But at which time it can fuse? A bulb can be fused. It can take any values. That means just like we can say warranty term, just like, okay. So a ball may be fused at 0 second or 1 second or after 1 hour or after 2 days or after 1 year also. That means this is one example of a continuous random variable, but the counting is an example of a discrete random variable. This one is the example of continuous random variable. Okay. Now, now from this concept, we have another two definition. One is called probability mass function. Probability mass function. Here, for probability mass function, see the concept here. We have let x be a discrete random variable taking values small x equal to 0, 1, 2. Then we can say probability of x equal to small x is called the probability mass function PMF, and it satisfies which property? Satisfies first one is probability of x equal to x must be greater than equal to 0, and the second property is summation x equal to 0 to infinity probability of x equal to x equals to 1. Okay. Now you can see that probability mass function is a concept of discrete random variable. Now what we define for a continuous random variable, that term is called probability density function. That is called probability density function. What do we say? Let x be a continuous random variable taking values in a certain range. What is the range? A less than equal to x, less than equal to b. Then the function probability of small f called probability density function as the relation satisfies the conditions. Which condition? First one is f of x must be greater than equal to 0, and second one is integration from a to b fx dx will be 1. Okay, now look here. For a discrete random variable, we are saying something called probability mass function, and for a continuous random variable, we have the concept of probability density function. Now see here, probability of x equal to x is positive. This is our first example of probability, or here fx is greater than 0. Now for a discrete, what we say, probability of whole sample space will be 1. That means the alternate one is probability of x equal to x summation x from 0 to infinity will be 1. Similarly, for continuous random variable, as it takes the value from a to b in an interval value, so the summation is replaced by here integration. Integration from a to b fx is equal to 1. Is it clear to all? Everyone please. हेलो
Yes, sir.
क्लियर? देखो ये डेफिनेशन तुमको चाहिए, ठीक से लिखो इसको, जस्ट राइट इट अगर नहीं लिखे हो तो, और यू कैन टेक द स्नैपशॉट आल्सो. Probability mass function and probability density function. Okay, and just go to your Google Classroom and give the attendance if you have not given. Up to this clear? Everyone please. Ansuman?
Yes.
Okay. Ansuman, are you there?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Okay. लिखे कि नहीं?
Yes,
सर
sir.
शो नहीं कर रहे सर.
शो नहीं कर रहे, करना तो चाहिए. हाँ
नहीं
ये
सर
तो ठीक है.
अटेंडेंस सर.
ओ अटेंडेंस 3 बजे तक है, देखो दिखाना तो चाहिए. ओके चलो, नोइंग दिस कॉन्सेप्ट, चलो एक एग्जांपल सॉल्व करते हैं. ठीक है, ध्यान से एक एग्जांपल. चलो एक एग्जांपल करते हैं. एग्जांपल ओके, फॉर द डिस्क्रीट probability distribution, suppose you have given x and fx, value is 0, 0, 1, k, 2, 2k, 3, 2k, 4, 3k, 5, k square, 6, 2k square, and 7, 7k square plus k. That means for a discrete probability distribution, we have given the value of f, x and fx. For value x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, the corresponding fx value is 0, k, 2k, 2k, 3k, k square, 2k square, 7k square plus k. Now question is, determine the following. First one is the value of k. Value of k. Second question is probability that x is less than 6. Third one is probability of x greater than equal to 6 equal to how much? Fourth one is large the distributive function of x. We have given the data for a discrete probability distribution and we have to find these values. Value of k, probability of that x less than 6, probability that x greater than equal to 6, probability of x lies between 0 to 5 and the distribution function of x. Now we will solve one by one. Now see here. Okay, see here. First we have to find the value of k. Now as we know, for a discrete random variable, look here, for a discrete random variable, first condition was probability of x equal to greater than 0, and second one is saying that summation of all the probability will be equal to 1. So we will apply this property. So to determine the value of x, we say first answer we say since given fx is a probability mass function, so what do we have? Summation fx will be 1. Now what is here? Summation fx means 0 plus k plus 2k plus another 2k plus 3k plus k square plus 2k square plus 7k square plus k. This value will be equal to 1. This implies what we got? Just add all these things. So how many k square? 7 plus 2 plus 1. That is 10k square. Plus how many k here? देखो कितना k है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 8, 9. देखो how many k here? 9k. 10k square plus 9k equal to 1. That means if you can take this one this side, then this gives 10k square plus 9k minus 1, and this value equal to 0. Now as we can solve it, so k value will be minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2 into a. Okay, c value is minus 1. So minus 9 plus minus root over 81 plus 40 divided by 2. So this value is minus 9 plus minus how much?
Sir, 1 and minus 1 better.
Hello? ठीक लिखा हूँ ना? 9 plus minus root over 2a. तो 10 है यहाँ पे. 2 into 10. So 20. Minus b plus minus b square. 9 square 81. 4ac. 4 into 10 into minus 1. That means 40. ठीक है. So divided by 20. Now you can say root over 121 how much? 11 ना?
Yes, sir.
Minus
0.1.
हाँ? 121 का रूट कितना आता है? 11 ना?
Yes, sir.
ओके, सो एक आएगा माइनस 9 माइनस 11 बाई 28 और एक है माइनस 9 प्लस 11 बाई 28. ओके, सो पहला वैल्यू कितना है? minus 20 by 20, and second value is 2 divided by 20. So first value is minus 20 by 20 is minus 10, sorry, 20 na, minus 1,
Minus
and
20 by
second
20.
value is, sorry, 1 by 2 by 20, this value is, tell which take
0.1.
take minus 1 or 1 by 10? Which value is suitable? Look here, first property, what it says, probability is always greater than 0. Okay, probability is always greater than 0. So which value you take? K value is always positive. Negative नहीं हो सकता, क्यों? If you take K value is negative here, so this gives minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, so it cannot take the negative value. So we have the answer K value as 1 divided by 10. Clear to all? ये हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हुआ.
Yes.
फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या था? The value of K. Now second question, probability that X is less than 6. So second के लिए क्या करें? Probability of X less than 6. So just take the value of K and make the table. So look here, as we got the value of K equal to 1 by 10. So substituting in this table, we get X here, Fx. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So please tell me here 0, K as 1 by 10, 2K as how much? 2 by 10, again 2K as again 2 by 10, 3K is 3 by 10, K square 1 by 100, 2K square 2 by 100, 7K square plus K1, K how much? 7K square plus 7, 7K square plus K, so 7 by 100 divided by 1 by 10, so how much? 100, 7 plus 10, 17 by 100. Okay, so here 17 divided by 100. टेबल को लिख दिया. After writing the table, क्वेश्चन क्या बोल रहे हैं? Question is saying that probability that X less than 6, ये पूछा है. Probability that X less than 6 means X less than 6 कहाँ तक है? देखो 6 यहाँ पे less than 6, so 6 से नीचे, तो 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That means our answer is simple, 0 plus, that means देखो और डिटेल जाओगे तो probability of X equal to 0 plus probability of X equal to 1 plus probability of X equal to 2 plus probability of X equal to 3 plus probability of X equal to 4 plus probability X equal to 5. 6 नहीं देंगे, क्यों? लेस देन दिया है, इक्वल टू देता तो लिखते. सो दिस गिव्स, देखो x इक्वल टू 0 के लिए आ रहा है 0, x इक्वल टू 1 के लिए 1 by 10, x इक्वल टू 2 के लिए 2 by 10, x इक्वल टू 3 के लिए अगेन 2 by 10, x इक्वल टू 4 के लिए 3 by 10 एंड x इक्वल टू 5 के लिए 1 by 100. तो वैल्यू कितना आ रहा है? ऐड करके बोलो कितना लिखें, कितना by 100? प्लेस टेल में कितना लिखूं न्यूमरेटर में? कितना लिखे हैं न्यूमरेटर में?
81.
81. Very good. That means the probability that x less than 6 equal to 81 by 100 or simple 0.8. Okay. Over. Second question. Now come to the third one. Third क्या बोल रहे हैं? Probability of x greater than 6. हाँ? Next third question के लिए हमें चाहिए probability x greater than equal to, देखो equal to पूछा है, greater than equal to 6, greater than equal to 6. Now देखो यहाँ पे मैं दो वे से जा सकता हूँ, आइदर ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 6 तो मैं ऐसा लिखूंगा 6 एंड 7 को ऐड करेंगे, दैट मीन्स प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ x इक्वल टू 6x प्लस प्रोबेबिलिटी x इक्वल टू 7x। सो यहाँ पे आंसर देगा 2/100 और this one 0. Another given a event A, then A complement, and we know probability of A complement is 1 minus probability of A. Knowing this, here probability of x greater than equal to 6 can be written as 1 minus probability of x less than 6. Okay, using the complementation rule. So this gives 1 minus x less than 6 देखो already हम calculate कर चुके हैं. So 1 minus 0.81 or again this gives 0.19. Clear to all? ये हम कैसे सॉल्व किए? दो वे से किए. ये छोटा डाटा था तो ऐड किए और पहले से था तो कॉम्प्लीमेंटेशन रूल डाले. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या बोल रहा था? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज प्रोबेबिलिटी लाइज बिटवीन 0 to 5. इजी है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वाज प्रोबेबिलिटी, इसको ऊपर ले रहा हूँ. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वाज, फोर्थ क्वेश्चन वाज प्रोबेबिलिटी 0 लेस देन x लेस देन 5. होगा कि नहीं? तो x वैल्यू 0 से 5 से है तो 0 इंक्लूड नहीं है, दैट मीन्स प्रोबेबिलिटी x इक्वल टू 1, प्रोबेबिलिटी x इक्वल टू 2, प्रोबेबिलिटी x इक्वल टू 3, प्रोबेबिलिटी x इक्वल टू 4. इतना ही आएगा बिकॉज 5 से छोटा है. सो दिस गिव x इक्वल टू 1 के लिए 1/10, x इक्वल टू 2 के लिए 2/10, x इक्वल टू 3 के लिए अगेन 2/10 एंड x इक्वल टू 4 के लिए 3/10. सो हाउ मच? 8/10 or 0.8. Okay, now the fifth one asking for distribution function of x. The distribution function of x. तो उसके लिए क्या करें? सिंपल, देखो ऑलरेडी मेरे पास ये टेबल है, पहले इसको कॉपी पेस्ट करते हैं. x of x corresponding to x मेरे पास वैल्यू 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. fx के लिए था 0, 1/10, 2/10, 2/10, 3/10, 1/100, 2/100 and 17/100. Okay, now distribution function क्या है? देखो distribution function is nothing but f of x that is equal to probability of x less than equal to x. Distribution function capital F(x) is equal to probability of x less than equals to x. That means for x equal to 0, your f0 equal to 0. For 1 it is 1/10, but for 2 क्या करें? Just add it. 1/10 plus 2/10, that is 3/10. For 3 this gives 3 plus 2, 5/10. For 4 this gives 5 plus 3, 8/10. For 5 it gives 8/10 plus 1/100, so 81/100. Next here for 6 just add it, 83/100, and last one give 1. Okay, now this is the distribution function. Everyone clear? क्या कुछ डाउट है?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, क्लियर? ये कौन सा एग्जाम्पल था? दिस वाज द एग्जाम्पल रिलेटेड टू वन डिस्क्रीट रैंडम वेरिएबल. ओके, डिस्क्रीट रैंडम वेरिएबल क्या है? देखो अगर नहीं है तो तुम स्नैपशॉट ले जाओ. जस्ट टेक दिस फोटो, पहला वाला फोटो. क्वेश्चन है ये, नहीं होगा लाइट ज्यादा है.
तो थोड़ा पहले से जो है सर, तो थोड़ा देखिए.
मैं दूंगा, सब दूंगा. देखो ये
पहला वाला.
इसका फोटो लो पहले. टेक द फोटो फर्स्ट. ओके, फोटो लिए
Yes, sir.
ये कि
Yes,
नहीं?
sir.
ओके, द नेक्स्ट आंसर, फर्स्ट आंसर।
Done.
ठीक है,
Yes, sir.
सेकंड का आंसर it was clear। थर्ड के लिए x greater than 6, ओके
Yes,
क्लियर,
sir.
फोटो लिए, नेक्स्ट फोर्थ वन, इसके लिए थोड़ा देखना, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फंक्शन बोल रहे हैं कैपिटल एफ एक्स इज प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ कैपिटल एक्स लेस देन इक्वल टू एक्स, ये स्मॉल एक्स है, it is nothing but adding of previous one, देखो 0 0 plus 1 by 10 is 1 by 10, 0 plus 1 by 10 plus 2 by 10, this gives 3 by 10, 0 1 by 10 2 by 10 plus 2 by 10 gives 5 by 10, 0 1 by 10 2 by 10 2 by 10 3 by 10 gives 8 by 10, तो ऐसा करके जा रहे हैं। हाँ बोलो क्या डाउट है? Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
ओके, ये हम एग्जांपल दिए डिस्क्रीट का, ओके नाउ और एक एग्जांपल देते हैं कॉन्टिन्यूस के लिए। नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल देंगे और कॉन्टिन्यूस रैंडम वेरिएबल। ओके, सो टेक द क्वेश्चन, if the probability density of a random variable is given by fx equal to k into 1 minus x square or 0 less than x less than 1, 0 otherwise, then question is find the value of k and the probability that a random variable will take a value, first is between 0.1 and 0.2, second greater than 0.5, ओके ये क्वेश्चन है, ठीक है। और द क्वेश्चन देखो, द प्रोबेबिलिटी डेंसिटी ऑफ ए रैंडम वेरिएबल, डेंसिटी बोला है, डेंसिटी किसके लिए होता है? और कॉन्टिन्यूअस, okay, probability density of a random variable is given, our work is to find the value of k, then probability that the random variable will take the value between 0.1 to 0.2, and another question is probability that the random variable will take the value greater than 0.5, okay। So to solve this same thing, for answer part, what do we know? As we know that since for a probability density function, your integration will be 1 from a to b, but here range is not given, so here minus infinity to plus infinity. So knowing this, as fx is given this one, fx is given this one, so just substitute here. This gives, this implies, देखो, from 0 to 1 it is taking this value, outside it is giving 0, that means the value is 0 to 1 k into 1 minus x square dx equal to 1. Now just simplify it, k is constant outside, 0 to 1 minus x square का integration, okay, so k बाहर 1 minus x square का इंटीग्रेशन x minus x cube by 3, limit is from 0 to 1, this value equal to 1. So this gives k into upper limit अगर डालेंगे तो 1 minus 1 by 3 and lower limit will be 0. So this gives us is 2k per 3 by 2. Clear? Everyone getting it? Please everyone. Hello.
Yes, sir.
ओके के का वैल्यू मिल गया. देन क्या करें? सेकंड क्वेश्चन है 0.1 से 0.2 होने का प्रोबेबिलिटी कितना है. दैट मीन्स क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा है? क्वेश्चन पूछा है प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ x लाइज बिटवीन 0.1 to 0.2. दैट इज सिंपल, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 0.1 to 0.2 integration fx dx, or simple value will be 0.1 to 0.2 fx equal to this much k into 1 minus x square dx. But k का value already हम find कर चुके हैं. How much? k का value है 3 by 2. So this gives 0.1 to 0.2 3 by 2 1 minus x square dx, or this gives 3 by 2 outside 1 का integration x minus x cube by 3, limit 0.1 to 0.2. So this gives 3 by 2 into 0.2 minus 0.2 का cube divided by 3 minus 0.1 plus 0.1 का cube divided by 3. Okay, upper limit minus lower limit. So जल्दी बोलो कितना है वैल्यू, इसको कैलकुलेट करके बोलो. Please. हम 0.2 minus 0.1, that is 0.1. 3 बाहर. 0.2 का क्यूब minus 0.1 का क्यूब. 2 का क्यूब 8. 8 minus ये दिस इज, यहाँ पे अगर माइनस है तो ये प्लस. ओके, प्लस है तो दिस माइनस 0.001. ओके, 3 by 2 0.1 minus 0.009 divided by 3. Okay. और दिस गिव्स 3 by 2 0.1 minus how much? 0.00. सही है ना? ना 0.007. So 2 3. Okay, now this gives simple 3 by 2 0.1 minus 0.0023. how much? कितना आएगा? ओके,
0.0977.
0.0977. उसके साथ 1.5 मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. 3 by 2 is 1.5. फर्स्ट मल्टीप्लाई. Multiply
0.1465.
वेरी गुड. 0.1465. ये किसका आंसर है? पहला वाला नहीं, बिटवीन 0.1 to 0.2. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज ग्रेटर देन 0.5. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज ग्रेटर देन 0.5. दैट मीन्स प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ x ग्रेटर देन 0.5. सो क्या करें? व्हाट वी डू? सिंपल 0.5 to infinity fx dx. बट क्वेश्चन देखो फंक्शन को एक के बाद ये वैल्यू निकल जा रहा है. सो दिस इज हम 0.5 to 1 k into 1 minus x square dx, or इंटीग्रेशन 0.5 to 1 k का वैल्यू 3/2 1 minus x square dx 3/2 by 3 40 3/2 1 by plus 0.5 cube by 3. Just calculated 3/2. Never. 1 minus 1 by 3 0.5. So कितना आएगा 1 by 3 वैल्यू ऑलमोस्ट उसके बाद में रखूंगा 1 by 3 को पहले इसको कर लेता हूँ 1 minus 0.5 0.5 minus 1 by 3 plus 0.5 का क्यूब 125.125 divided by 3 so 3/2 0.5 minus 1 by 3 okay now इसको लिखते हैं 0.333 जितना आएगा plus 0.04 to 16 so 3/2 just calculate it कितना आ रहा है 0.5 minus 0.333 plus 0.046 तो मैं फाइनल आंसर लिख रहा हूँ दिस विल गिव यू 0.687 okay this is all about your discrete and continuous random variable okay मैक्सिमम ऐसा टाइप का क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में बहुत सारा आया है ओके ध्यान से देखना और किसी का कुछ डाउट है तो पूछो एनीवन प्लीज all are clear or have you any doubt
Yes, sir.
otherwise we will complete
Yes, sir.
complete thank you all नहीं तो किसी को कुछ डाउट है तो पूछ सकते हो ठीक है चलो थैंक यू ऑल
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू